everybody, it's Laura. It is March 15th and I am so excited because for the first time this growing season, I'm able to take my seedlings outside that direction. Sorry, camera's backwards. So I have a north facing deck, which is a 10 by 8, so about 80 square feet. And then I have a deck off this side of the house, which is south facing, which is 4 by 10, which is 40 square feet. At some point, I'm going to have all of my peppers, onions, and tomatoes on the south deck and everything else in the north. But right now, you can see the sun is shining. It is a glorious afternoon. Got home from work and the kids and I put the plants outside. So let me take you along and show you what I'm growing this season. So this, of course, is not everything that I'm growing because we're not at that point. However, I do have my strawberries. I got those started. I did start these from bare root. On the bottom, we have the Ozark strawberries, and the top we have the San Andreas varieties. So we'll see how those turn out. I've never used a vertical stacking planter, so we'll see. I know they're really good for a lot of herbs and such, but I know they're good for strawberries as well. So that's new. And here I have just my seedlings started. Some of them I grew from seed. Some I grew from produce, so we'll talk about those real quick. As you can tell, I do not have a yard. I live in a townhouse, so I can only grow in containers, and so that's what we're doing this year. So in this little pot right here, I have 5 broccoli plants. They're starting to get their true leaves. Their seed leaves have already developed, and we got a little bit of growth there. These 3 here are Texas bluebonnets. I live in the Pacific Northwest, so not sure if those are going to take, but I am hopeful. And then here I've got a combination of things. We have basil, celery, bok choy, Brussels sprouts, eggplant, and asparagus. And I know some things are leggy and, but we're giving them a shot. And then in the dome covers, I have everything from onions to cauliflower, broccoli, different brassicas. So those are there. I grew this avocado from the actual fruit, so that's exciting that she's taken off. We have over here parsley, some cabbage, lettuce, 2 different varieties of, one's cauliflower and one's cabbage. And then here we have garlic. Now, the really fun thing about these garlic, I bought 3 garlic bulbs from Fred Meyer, pulled them apart, stuck them in dirt, and this is what happened. I ended up with 30 garlic plants. I was shocked that they actually just did so well, and so we'll see how they actually end up at harvest. And then here, I took the same idea with a Meyer lemon, also from Fred Meyer, and cut it open, ate the lemon, stuck the seeds in potting soil, and they came up. So we shall see what happens with those. Okay, so I just wanted to give you guys an update to kind of start off the season. I've been trying to get seeds going. We've had really goofy weather here. We've had snow in mid-March. We just had snow 2 days ago, and now the sun is shining and it's glorious. So I'm gonna get the plants out in the sun as much as I can. Our last frost, according to our frost date for my zip code, is April 28th. So it is late, but I'm hoping the snow has calmed down and the freezing temps will go away soon. It's supposed to hit like 30 at night, so I still can't leave the plants outside, but that's okay. I can get them out in the morning, let them enjoy the sun all day long, and bring them in the evening. So anyways, I just wanted to give you all an update, and I will keep you posted as things progress. Happy growing!